Hello and welcome back. Now we continue our journey north in Sweden.
It's time for Medelpad's highest point now.
Myckelmyrberget.
Myckelmyrberget is the highest mountain in Medelpad. The mountain measures 577.7 meters above sea level and is located about 20 kilometers west of the town Alby in Ånge. So, 325 meters this way, so then we will be at the top at Myckelmyrberget. And it was a tower there before, but I'm not sure if it's still there or some parts of it is still there. We'll see. Windmills as tramps as. The highest point is also sometimes called the roof of Medelpad. Highest point
in Medelpad!
Yay! So it, I guess they have taken down the tower now, so it's some small grill area here instead.
Yeah,
so, yeah.
I'm scared.
And this stone is the highest point now. So yeah, we did it.
Yay!
Let's hurry back before the mosquito eats us up. So we didn't dare to take the RV the rest of the way, so we walked 2 kilometers instead of risking getting stuck with the RV. So, but yeah, if you have an ordinary car, then you should be fine to get up to like 300 meters from the top. But we didn't want to risk that, so we walked a bit extra instead. So the GPS tried to make us go the wrong way, so because the GPS wanted us to keep going forward, but yeah, then we did see this sign, so we did drive up here instead, and that was the right way. So you can't just type in Storforsen and follow the GPS, because it will show you the wrong way. So when you see this sign, you just follow the gravel path up instead. So we parked here, and yes, up there is a trail to the viewing tower, so that should be the top up there.
Now we're going up Storforsen.
Let's go.
Yeah, so soon up to Ångermanland's highest point here. It should be a viewing tower on the top as well, so we'll see.
It's a house.
So here is the tower. You can see boards are cracked, they are rotten, so, and there is a sign that it's not safe to go up there, and you go up on your own accord, so, and the landowner isn't responsible if something happens. So. Highest point. Highest point in Ångermanland.
Woo!
634 meters.
Yay!
Yeah.
We find it!
Yeah.
Oh, I found his foot.
It's just beneath the tower, so.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It wasn't far.
So
Serious.
Now we're going up to Västerbotten's highest point.
let's do this.
So, 2.5 kilometers up this way from Hotel Källan, where we parked our RV. So, because you can drive up to the top on the other side, but we don't know how the road is up there, so we decided to be safe and park here, that we know we can park and walk this 2.5 kilometers track up instead.
To walk, so.
Yeah. Yeah, there's a bit of mosquitoes here as well. Last night we couldn't sleep because somehow there are coming in mosquitoes in the van all night long. So yeah, we couldn't sleep. They were just everywhere, just buzzing around, biting us, sucking our blood dry, and Yes, we couldn't sleep at all, so it was a bit hard. So I have my mosquito hat on. I have the net if I need it, so I can put out the net, just put it all over my head, so if I need it. So. Open the door.
I can't.
Yeah, it was time to put it on the net because they started to attack me quite a lot now. So. I think we have maybe 2 kilometers left. We are closing in. The nun from the horror flick is going with us. So, here's the top cabin. Maybe storage for wood or something.
Toppstugan, yes.
We're signing in the guest book here, so people know we have been here. Now we will go up here to the viewing tower and the high point. Kiki piti titi tempo. So this cell tower here can be the highest point, depending on where the line is drawn, because the highest point can be in another province, but so yeah, we're not sure, but this can be the highest point here. I guess it's a sign that you go up on your own accord again, so you go up on your own risk. Okay, this was scary. It doesn't feel safe. Yeah, this was actually quite scary to go up here. I don't want to go too near the edge if the wood is bad underneath me, so I don't fall down. Quite a nice view though. Väldigt fin utsikt i alla fall. The highest point. Västerbottens highest point.
Yay! Just run the fuck away from here.
Yeah, so many mosquitoes. I'm glad I have this at least, my mosquito net. So it's horrible. So many mosquitoes. Let's hurry away from this place. So back in the car from the mosquitoes, and we will go to one last high point, then we will go home.
And then we are finished with all the
northern high points.
Provinces.
Yeah. And we did see a big stream on the way to the highest point now, so we will check that out as well when it's on its way. So hopefully it's not that many mosquitoes at that point. Yeah, see you there. You can find the giant potholes at Storforsen in the area called Döda fallet. The pots were created over thousands of years by flowing water. Water whirlpools pick up harder stones and gravel and spun them around in the same spot with enormous force. This process has slowly but surely drilled and polished deep, perfectly round holes right into the bedrock.
Stop
Storforsen in the Peter River is Europe's largest unregulated rapid, located in Älvsbyn. It has a total drop of 82 meters and an average water flow of 250 cubic meters per second. When the spring flood is at its strongest after the winter snow melts, the water flow can reach up to 870 cubic meters per second.
I was thinking about kayaking here a bit, but I realized that it was probably not a very good idea.
Already in the 19th century, the rapids waters were used to transport timber from the inland down to the coast. Before that, the rapids were both wider and shallower than they are today, but were redirected between 1878 and 1945 so that the timber could pass more easily through.
Yes.
I got the feeling that I was on some Caribbean island here with all the waterfalls. It was a bit hard to find this, but just before Njalla you turn into an unmarked gravel road, and then you keep going and just keep to the right, and you will eventually end up at this big parking lot space, and you will see this sign of Naturreservatet here, and I believe this is the way when you will follow the red markings on the tree to the top, I guess. Hopefully.
Now we're on our way to Norbotten's highest point.
Let's go. This will be fun. A lot of mosquitoes already, so yay!
Mosquito!
And it's 2 kilometers uphill now to get to the highest point, so. Okay, we did walk the wrong way. We did going straight. And after, I don't know, 500 meters, I noticed, okay, this doesn't look right, because we are going right instead of straight to the top. So, and then I saw a small patch that we had missed in the beginning, that you have the black plastic bag here, that you're supposed to go in at that and follow this small road here. It was easy to miss, so, and we, of course, we did miss that. So hopefully we will get to the top this way. It keeps going up, 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 pretty steep all the way, so it was a bit of a challenge, this one. It wasn't so easy that we thought so. I think it's a third left to go now. And a lot of mosquitoes. I'm trying to have my hands in my pockets, just so they can't suck my blood, and my sister don't even have a mosquito net on her, so it will be harder for her to do this. There are these things called long beer that you can find up here in the north, but I'm not sure if this is the long beer or if it's supposed to be something else. Are getting closer, but yeah, this feels way longer than 2 kilometers when it's just uphill all the way. Here you can see the remains of the tower watchtower view tower that has been up here, and here's a cabin. I think it's a ski scooter club that uses this one. I'm not sure where. Oh, I hittade! I did find it. I found it. Wow.
Nej men du!
Jag hittade den är längre bort.
Jaha, du filmar åt.
So this is the scooter club.
We have a guest book here. If you want to write that word.
Here's the guest book. Need to write in it. Yes! We did it!
Yes! Norrbotten's highest point!
Yeah. The Vitberget, I think it's called Vitberget, and this is the number 7 on our road trip.
Yeah, and now after this we're going home.
Yeah. And all the province up north are done now, so.
Yeah. Oh, that feels so good.
Yeah.
And the children have done this really amazing work
Yeah.
walking with us.
I'm actually
impressed.
that Elisa made it to the top all this way because it was
really hard.
This this one was
Yeah.
really hard.
Yeah.
It was the hardest of all the 7 we have done, I think so.
She really worked hard to get
Yeah.
here.
She deserves.
So you're amazing.
She deserves some praise that she did good. Yeah, well, let's go back.
Yeah, they're eating me this time too.
We want some rest now. Hello, and thank you for watching our video.
And don't forget to like and subscribe if you want to support us in our next adventures.
Bye.
Bye.